everyone, and welcome back to Charming Farmhouse Decorating Ideas. If you are a fan of CozyCottage aesthetics, vintage finds, and rustic decor, you have come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to helping you transform your home into a charming farmhouse retreat filled with warmth, character, and timeless beauty. Whether you are embarking on a full-scale renovation or looking for simple DIY projects to add a touch of rustic charm, we have something for everyone. Our passion for farmhouse style is rooted in its ability to create inviting and comfortable spaces that feel like home. With an emphasis on natural materials, vintage treasures, and handcrafted details, farmhouse decor is all about celebrating the beauty of imperfection and the stories behind each piece. So on our channel, we will guide you through the process of creating your dream farmhouse interior, one step at a time. Farmhouse style is wonderfully versatile and we love exploring its many variations to help you find the perfect look for your home. From the simplicity of traditional farmhouse to the elegance of French country and the charm of coastal cottage, we cover it all. Each style has its unique elements and we will show you how to blend them seamlessly into your space. Traditional farmhouse decor is all about simplicity and practicality. Think of neutral color palettes, wooden furniture, and vintage accessories. French country style brings a touch of elegance to the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. We will explore how to use soft pastels, ornate furniture, and luxurious textile to create a romantic and sophisticated space. So if you love the idea of blending farmhouse charm with beachy vibes, the coastal cottage style is for you. We will guide you through creating a light and airy atmosphere using a palette of whites, blues, and natural textures like jute and rattan. One of the most rewarding aspects of farmhouse decorating is the opportunity to get hands-on with DIY projects. We believe that creating your own decor pieces adds a personal touch and sense of accomplishment. Our channel features a variety of DIY tutorials from simple crafts to more complex furniture builds. So transforming old furniture into beautiful farmhouse pieces is one of our favorite things to do. We will share tips and techniques for painting, distressing, and reupholstering furniture to give it new life. Learn how to turn an old dresser into stunning bathroom amenity or thrift store table into charming kitchen island. Your living room is the heart of your home and we will show you how to make it warm and welcoming with farmhouse style. Turn your bathroom into a charming farmhouse oasis With our decorating ideas, we will guide you through selecting fixtures, tiles, and accessories that reflect farmhouse style. So brighten up your home with fresh flowers, pastel colors, and light fabrics. We will show you how to create beautiful spring wreath, decorate with potted plants, and set a charming summer table for outdoor gatherings. Our channel is not just about showing you how to decorate, but also inspiring you with ideas and expert tips. We will feature tours of beautifully decorated farmhouse homes, interviews with interior designers, and insight into the latest trends in farmhouse decor. So we believe that decorating should be a joyful and collaborative experience. Join our growing community of farmhouse enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. Share your own decorating project, ask questions, and connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for creating beautiful, cozy homes. At Charming Farmhouse Decorating Ideas, we are dedicated to helping you turn your house into a home filled with charm, warmth, and personality. So let's embark on this decorating journey together and make every corner of your home a delightful reflection of your style and creativity. Subscribe now and start transforming your space with the timeless beauty of farmhouse decor. Thank you for watching our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.